Alrighty then, so we need to get a calculator. So find a calculator and something to write with. And we're going to do a few of these problems on your paper. I'm going to start on number 3 because we're going to do 1 and 2 in class together. It says, what is the speed of a car that travels 22.56 miles in 0.39 hours? Here's your formula, distance divided by time. Distance is on top, time is on bottom, so you have to write it like that. So distance would be the miles, 22.56 miles. Notice I'm putting miles on there. Just looking to make sure it can be seen on the camera. Time is 0.39 hours. So you'd take your calculator, if I get it on, and it'll say 22.56 divided by 0.39. And I get this long decimal. So both numbers have 2 decimal places. So the least number of decimal places in my problem on a measurement is 2. So my answer has 2. So I'm going to be rounding to the second decimal place, which is the 4. The 6 makes the 4 go up to a 5. So my final rounded answer is 57.85. And my unit is miles over hours. If you write it like the formula says, it will give you the unit. Now, I would write miles over hours, not MPH. The problem with MPH is if you have to use that number for the next problem, it doesn't tell you which unit's on top and which is on bottom. So I would always write it like this. I won't count it wrong if you put MPH. I usually mark it and say, hey, you might want to write mile per hour, but it might mess you up later. How much power is needed to move a 2012.5 pound car 10 feet in 20 seconds? The formula for power is mass times distance divided by time. Notice there's no symbol there, so that means time. So you're going to put the mass, which is 12.5 pounds. I want you to notice these formulas are going to work with our system of units as well. Times 10.0 feet. And you're going to divide that by time, which is 20 seconds. Notice I'm rewriting the formula with the numbers and units in it. It's a requirement. 2012.5 times 10.
Pardon the interruption. We are going to have
Sorry.
a fire drill just to test the system. Again, this is just a drill. There's no need to exit the building.
Okay, divided by 20. This is going to be fun. 1006.25. You can't get rid of any of the 3 of these units because they're all different. So it's going to be pound feet on top, seconds on bottom. I'm going to stop this. Maybe do another one.